Good morning, students. Today we are going to read about microbes. Okay, this is the last topic of our lesson, microbes. What are microbes? Microbes क्या होते हैं? Microbes are the tiny organism. Can we see the microbes? No, they are very tiny. We cannot see them with naked eyes. We cannot see them with unaided eyes. Okay, so we need a microscope to see the microbes. They are very small. They are very tiny. Right? So today we are going to read about these microbes. Before coming to the microbes, can you tell me what are germs? Germs are the disease causing microbes. Microbes that causes diseases are germs, right? So mainly there are 5 type of microbes: bacteria, virus, protozoa and fungi and algae, right? So you have only 4 in your book. Let's start with bacteria. So you can see here in the picture, this is a bacteria. It's a single celled organism, means it's made up of only one cell, right? A human body is made up of millions of cells, right? And we cannot see the cells since they are very tiny. So can you just imagine if bacteria is made up of only one single cell, kitna chota hoga? It's going to be very tiny. That's why we cannot see it, right? So basically it's found everywhere and in almost everything. Whatever you eat, it's present everywhere. Okay. So some of the diseases that are caused by bacteria, you can see here: typhoid, pneumonia, tuberculosis. These are the diseases that are caused by bacteria. There are some useful bacteria also that we are going to discuss about them later on. Okay. So all these diseases are caused by bacteria. Next comes virus. Okay, virus are even smaller compared to the bacteria. मैंने आपको बताया बैक्टीरिया बहुत छोटे होते हैं. They are single celled and virus are much more smaller than bacteria. Coronavirus, everybody heard, you can see in the picture. It's a coronavirus only, na? Right? So they are very tiny. That's why we tell you to do hand wash again and again, because they are very tiny. We cannot see them. Okay. What diseases are caused by virus? You can see common cold, flu, dengue, chicken pox, all these diseases, polio, all these diseases are caused by virus. Okay. Fungi. Next comes the fungi. You must have seen fungi growing on dead and decaying matter. Like if you keep the moist bread for 2-3 days, how do the bacteria grow? They grow very rapidly in moist and warm climate. Okay, when the weather is moist, it's warm, they grow very rapidly. If you just moist the bread, आपको bread ने आपने bread को थोड़ा सा पानी से गीला करके, and you have to leave the bread at room temperature for 2-3 days, you can just see the fungi growing over it. Okay, then no need to eat it, it becomes poisonous, right? You can see white, grayish, blackish, cottony growth on that bread. That's a fungi. Okay. So what diseases are caused by fungi? Athlete's foot and ringworm. It's a skin disease. So it's athlete foot and ringworm which is caused by fungi. Next comes protozoa. Protozoa are also called little animals. You can see the picture of the protozoa. It looks like this. Okay. So they are also known as little animals. Protozoa are also single-celled organisms. Right? They're also single cell like bacteria. And what diseases are caused by protozoa? Dysentery and malaria. Right? So you have to learn all these diseases caused by these different microbes. So now coming to the next topic, are all microbes bad? Okay. Are they bad? No, some of them are good also. Some of them are useful also. Now you are going to think how microbes can be useful for us. Microbes हमारे लिए कैसे useful हो सकते हैं? Yes, they are useful for us in number of ways. Like bacteria. Bacteria has many important role to play. Like it changes milk into a curd. मम्मा दही जमाती है ना, तो मिल्क से कर्ड कैसे चेंज हो जाता है? बिकॉज ऑफ द बैक्टीरिया, एंड इट्स अ यूजफुल बैक्टीरिया, right? It helps in the digestion in roughage in animals. When animals eat food, they digest the fiber, the roughage. That is done by bacteria only. Okay? They produce vitamin in our body. Lot of vitamins are produced in our body because of the bacteria. It helps to rot or decay the dead plants and animals and turn them into manure. When animals died or when plants die, they mix up with the soil, isn't it? Because of the bacteria. And they make the soil fertile, full of humus. And who does it? Bacteria. So it's a natural process. Also, all these are the good bacteria, useful microbes, right? So bacteria help to make the soil fertile also. Now, you can see in the picture a huge number of bacterial beneficial bacteria is found in our digestive system. It helps in the digestion of food also. You can see a lot of useful bacteria there in our tummy, in our stomach, okay, which helps in the digestion of food. Same way, fungi. Some of the fungi are also helpful for our body. It is used in making the medicines. Medicines बनती है fungi से. It is used in making the breads, biscuit, cakes. आपके जो cakes और biscuits जो soft और fluffy बनते हैं ना, because of the yeast, because of the fungi. ठीक है? Then you eat fungi also. Do you? Yes, you eat mushroom. You eat a mushroom vegetable. You eat mushroom soup. That's a fungi, and that's good for your health. Okay? So that was all about this lesson. Please read the same topic from the book. Take care.